the beautiful sounds of my Crocs squeaking and waterfalls. Now that looks saucy. Deep pool there. I bet there's brookies in there. Yeah, this is my first time trying this, but it's going super well. Basically, I had everything in my pockets running up here, and I got some, so we got the worms in here, got the hooks and a lure in here, and then a pen rod that I just put in my pocket, and a tiny reel. And I was just cruising by up here. It worked so well. So now let's see if there's some brookies in here. I could have sworn that was a brookie that came and hit it the first time though. Definitely looked just like a brook trout. Jeez. Another little bluegill. Not what we're going for though. Looks like just a bunch of bluegill in this hole here, so I think it's time to move on to the next one. But there are fish in there. Oops. Crappy boobies. There you go. There we go. There we go. First brookie. First brookie. Okay, working nice. That's a nice one too. Look at that. Look at that. Alrighty. Nice. Scope the fishy. Sheesh. On the pen reel. He choked it, so it looks like he's gonna be kept. I don't have a stringer, so I'll make a branch one, I guess. Damn. Let's see if they'll bite again out of there. I just lost another one. There we go. Camera shut off. It's very low battery, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to catch any more on camera, but this one hooked right on the top. We like releasing fish out here. The GoPro's pretty much dead. That's the last of the footage I'm gonna be able to get. Kept one. Release that one very easily. All right, time to go back. Assholes. Well, caught some crayfish here. I think I'm gonna have myself a crawfish boil. Call me Ace Videos all you want, Hunter. 2 catching cooks in 2 days on the Thunderbird YouTube channel. Ooh. Got this bad boy lathered up. Editor Benji. Ingredients right here. Put them right here. And ready to throw this bad boy in the front. She's a little thirsty. Well, no diseases on that. Sheesh.